What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Somebody please help me out. I got an event right now. There's an epidemic of dudes with zero background in the sport of boxing teaching boxing. If you haven't spent years in a boxing gym, at least a few years, sparring, maybe fighting amateur, professional, under the tutelage of somebody with a solid, legitimate background, in the words of the great Roger Mayweather, you don't know shit about boxing. So how you gonna teach what you don't know? I don't know if you dudes think you're gonna be like Cuddy from The Wire and someone's gonna finance you because you're doing a good deed for the community, start a nonprofit, maybe start doing some funny stuff with the money. I don't know what you guys' real intentions are, but there's a lot of fraudulent coaches out there. I was just at a fight. This dude brings this little kid to his tournament. He gets smoked. I mean, he looked like he never even sparred, much less bringing somebody to a tournament, an elimination tournament with his real fighters showing up that's coming to really put that work in. And the dude's arguing with the officials, just bad sportsmanship across the board, no knowledge, giving them a motivational speech in between rounds. I'll be honest, man, we got to start cracking down, man. They're making it too easy to get the boxing licenses. I mean, I know fucking crossword puzzles that are harder than getting these boxing licenses online. No disrespect. USA Boxing is a great organization and they got their hands full, but I'll be honest, man, we got to really start looking into the backgrounds of some of these dudes and start making like some kind of schooling more mandatory, because there's just random people just looking for a quick buck and they're learning on the job at the expense of the safety and health of kids, no less, usually, because most grown men are going to see right through the manipulation or the fraudulent, lack of connection there. Because like when you see somebody making up shit when you're a kid, it's an older guy, it's you're not going to really question them because you don't understand. Maybe the parents don't know. There's a lot of single mothers out there bringing their kids to these fake boxing gyms out here, whatever. But at the end of the day, it still is going to be a risk. But when you're with the right people, they'll at least know how to mold you and groom you and bring you along step by step, incrementally, instead of just throwing you to the wolves and letting you get physically, spiritually, and mentally discouraged and hurt. You know what I'm saying? So I made a video on how to find the right boxing gym and the right coach. I'm gonna put that in the description. But I just want you guys to be careful out there, man, because there's definitely a lot of new dudes out here just desperate. Like I said, trying to make a quick buck or something. But to me, it's not only, criminal, but it's morally wrong, man. Like if you don't know something, be humble enough to go get under the right people to really learn it. You know what I'm saying? Stop being a con man. Stop making up things, because you're really playing with people's health. But anyway, that's all I got to say. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. I got my online course out now for beginners. Link is in the description. So the next time we out here, out.